Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 3 secrets to making the perfect meatloaf. Preheat your oven to 360 degrees. For this recipe, you will need 2 pounds of ground beef, 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of half and half, 1 cup of Italian breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar, 2/3 cups of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of mustard, 1/2 tablespoon of parsley flakes, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of salt. Using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature, then add your butter. The first secret to making the perfect meatloaf is sauteing your onions and garlic for 2 minutes before adding them to your ground beef. After 2 minutes, remove your onion and garlic from the pan and set them aside until later. In a small bowl, combine your brown sugar, mustard, and ketchup. Whisk until well combined and set it aside until later. The second secret to making the perfect meatloaf is using extra lean ground beef. To your beef, add your paprika, parsley, and garlic powder. Now add the pepper and your salt. Add the Worcestershire sauce, the onion and garlic mixture, then mix until well combined. The third secret is using half and half instead of milk. Add it to your beef, followed by your egg. There's one more secret that I want to share, and I'll get to that in a minute. Now add your breadcrumbs and mix well. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and comment in the comment section below. The final secret to making the perfect meatloaf is allowing your mixture to sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes before forming your loaf. After 30 minutes, remove it from the refrigerator, then form your loaf. Transfer your loaf to a wire rack, then top with the sauce, then transfer it to the preheated oven and allow it to cook for 1 hour. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.